As a law student, it is truly important for us to strengthen our legal skills by sharing our thoughts and knowledge with fellow law students. For over 30 years, ALSA has become an internationally skilled organization for Asian law students to bind the spirits from different nations by uniting us as one. With one international board, 16 national chapters, and 15 local chapters, by preserving our 4 pillars, which are socially responsible, legally skilled, academically committed, and internationally minded. Throughout the years, ALSA has managed to maintain its bond between the local boards, the national boards, and the international board by conducting various activities, such as conferences, forums, events, competitions, and others. ALSA Local Chapter Universitas Indonesia presents itself for FAUI students to acquire the benefits one can get from joining ALSA. By joining ALSA LC UI, you can expand your connections through many exciting programs. In the national scope, you can join several national events, such as Pramusyawara and ALSA Leadership Training, Seminar Musyawara Nasional, and many more to come. Not only that, you can also upgrade that extraordinary connections by joining other internationally skilled events, like ALSA Forum International, for example. Furthermore, we also offer various competitions and internship opportunities as well. So, not only do you get to expand your connections, you will also gain lots of knowledge and opportunities that would be beneficial for your future endeavors.
ALSA